I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Nissan Frontier key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. A clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing tiny components. Begin by carefully examining your key fob to find the small notch, usually located on one of its sides or at the bottom. This notch is your starting point for safely prying open the casing. Once you've located the notch, gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into it. Apply a slight, steady pressure. Now, carefully twist the screwdriver a quarter turn. You should feel the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Listen for a subtle click, which indicates the internal clips are disengaging. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. With the key fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is typically the positive side. Carefully use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the fresh CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. After inserting the new battery, carefully align the two halves of your Nissan Frontier key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before you close it. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them securely snap into place all around the edges. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm they are working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.